What's up everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. Today we are club racing, where unlike rental kart racing, if your kart is slow and sucks, it's 100% your fault. This is an 8-lap pre-final in the 100cc Masters class. Starting in 4th, we're at NTK or North Texas Karters in Denton, Texas. Green flag, here we go. I leave way too much room on the bottom here at the start and lose a spot. Then I've got another guy at the bottom here. Can't really see him. If I had a spotter in my helmet, he'd be saying, outside, outside, outside. My spotter's from Texas, by the way. I lose another spot, back to 6th. We'll take a look behind us. That is the one and only Doug. Cue the intro. If you've watched the channel, you've seen Doug in some of the past videos. I'm going to try to make a move on 71 here on the straight. So right there, you see he kind of misses the apex. I get a really good run on him. Look to the bottom, make the move, but I'm going to be a little defensive on the exit here and keep it to the bottom just a little longer on the exit, because I've made that same move in the same corner before and just came in way too fast, skated up the track, and the driver behind me came back and got his spot right back. So I've learned from screwing that up to kind of defend your pass just a little bit. All right, we're back to 5th. Got driver in kart number 4 just ahead of us. Really hot day today. It is around the mid-90s as far as in Fahrenheit, as far as temperature goes, but it's very humid. So it feels like, I think, the low hundreds. Gotta make sure we drink plenty of water. And I'm also a fan of pickle juice. Walmart sells shots of pickle juice that I like to drink, and they're in the pickle aisle. If you're looking for something to help you out on hot days, they're like the same size as 5-hour energy drinks, but they're in the pickle aisle at the regular Walmart or the neighborhood Walmart. And I think they really help. I felt pretty decent for most of the day in this hot weather. Working hard here to try to track down the driver in front. Got a new camera angle here from the last time we were here. The exit's wide right there. Lets me pass him without much of a fight. He is driving in his first 100cc race, if I'm not mistaken. He's an LO206 driver normally, but he's come over to 100cc, and this is his first race. And I think he's doing pretty well overall. It's going to be a little bit of an adjustment just because of the speed differences, and just your braking points are different. There's a lot of different variables there. But I think he's doing pretty good overall. Really nice guy. Don't really know him, but I met him before the race. Super nice guy. We're behind this next driver here. She's fast, so it's going to take a lot of work to catch her and try to pass her. But right here, see her get loose and kind of lose it. Get sideways, and we're able to make the pass, and she kind of holds up the driver behind me, so it helps me out just a little bit more. So right there, when I saw her go sideways, I thought she was going to go completely sideways, and it's a split-second decision. I said, I decided I'm going to go to the outside. If she rolls back and keeps rolling to the outside, I'm just going to go off track and avoid her and just save my kart, not hit anybody, go off track. I'll probably finish last, but at least I won't hit her, won't damage my kart. I won't damage her kart, which I'm sure she'll appreciate. If I chose to go to the bottom there and she happened to lock it down on the bottom, I've got nowhere to go, and I'm going to hit her. So going outside or inside when someone spins, it just depends on the corner, because like the first corner coming up here, if somebody spins, I'm definitely going to the bottom, because I think they're going to skate up the track, given the amount of speed that they're carrying, just the way the corner works. Doug, in that same corner where she spun, the last time we were here, a driver spun in front of him in a practice and just kept rolling back, and Doug had decided to go to the outside, but I think it was a lot closer at that time than I was to her, and he hit this other driver, trashed his frame out, had to get a new frame. Pretty expensive situation there. So those situations happen in you know, really quickly. You have to make a decision and kind of stick with it. You don't really have a chance to make a decision and then say, oh, just kidding, I'm going to do this instead. You kind of have to live with what you decide. Last lap, if you haven't guessed, I'm going to finish in third. If you're watching this for the first time, this channel, welcome. Trying to bring you my perspective on karting. I've been karting for about 6 years. Started in LO206, actually started in rental kart racing. I got my very first kart in LO206. Now I'm racing 100 cc's in the 100cc class. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer it. I know Doug will go in there and answer some questions sometimes, and I know that other people that are racers will come in and answer questions that people may have. So we're just trying to share the knowledge, welcome people to karting. Really cool sport. Think you'll really like it. I'm going to start third in the final, which is going to be on the bottom, so that should be a lot better than starting fourth on this race. Hope you enjoyed this one. Quick and to the point, I think. Fast race. And thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.